Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you the best AI for changing clothes. First, go to sora.chatgpt.com in your browser. Now select the aspect ratio you want for the image. Then click on the image to get started. Here, choose image if it asks to select between video or image. Now click on the plus icon, then select choose from library or upload from device. Select two images from your computer, one of a person and the other of a Roblox jacket or any outfit you want. Now describe the image you want Sora to generate. Then tap on send. As you can see, it's now preparing your image. Once it's done, the image will be generated. Now go back to the main Sora page and click on My Media from the left side. Here, you'll see your image. Click on the three dots on the image and select Download. Choose the folder on your computer where you want to save it. Now, your image with the changed clothes has been downloaded successfully. For more information, check out the links given in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.